Day one of the trial of a suburban landlord accused of fatally stabbing a 6-year-old Palestinian American boy, and the jury is already set. Our Tara Molina tells us what happened in Will County in the courtroom today.
A 12-person jury seated here now. A major focus for those jurors. Can they base decisions on what will happen here in court, despite the massive publicity we saw with this case? 71-year-old Joseph Chuba pleaded not guilty to murder, attempted murder, aggravated battery, and hate crime charges, ordered detained until this trial kicked off today. With 18 potential jurors questioned here, 6 excused, 12 sworn in, plus 3 alternates. After being questioned in open court, each candidate was briefly questioned privately in another room by Judge Amy Bertani-Tomczak and the defense and prosecution. All jurors sworn in said publicly they could remain fair and impartial, even if they had heard about this case. All of this started back in 2023. On October 14th, prosecutors say Chuba stabbed 32-year-old Hanan Shaheen and her 6-year-old son, Wadea Al-Fayumi, who were tenants of an apartment inside a Plainfield home where Chuba was the landlord. Wadea was stabbed 26 times and died in the hospital. His mother stabbed more than a dozen times and seriously injured as she called for help and tried to protect her son, investigators said. The attack, investigated as an anti-Muslim hate crime. Prosecutors say Chuba targeted them because of their Muslim faith and Palestinian background. This garnered national attention. Former President Joe Biden spoke out after this happened and again at the 1-year mark. Again, why possible jurors were asked if they could remain impartial despite publicity. Wadea Al-Fayumi's parents not here for jury selection, but Joseph Milburn with the Chicago branch of the Council on American Islamic Relations, or CAIR, the largest Muslim civil rights group in the United States, has been working with them since this incident and spoke out on behalf of the family.
Justice in our eyes would look like Joseph Chuba being locked up for the rest of his life. The crime he committed, to enter someone's home and to stab someone to death 26 times due to the child's religion and race, is completely heinous, and it's one of the most gruesome hate crimes that have impacted the Muslim and Arab community in recent history.
If convicted, Chuba could face a maximum sentence of life in prison. Reporting outside the Will County Courthouse, I'm Tara Molina, CBS News, Chicago.